Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see about the cocktail birds. Cocktail birds, otherwise called Australian parrot, is one of the most popular pet birds you can find today. It's an all-time favorite because of its personality, availability, and affordable price. Also, cocktail is so lovable and affectionate. Lifespan of this bird is around 10 to 15 years. Males are better at singing and whistling. They are very social and they love company and playtime. Cocktails are very intelligent and easy to handle, but need patience and time to train them. They mostly like millets and sunflower seeds. Also, they will take fruits and vegetables. They need access to fresh, clean water at all times. Cocktails are very sociable birds. Will get depressed if they are left alone for long periods of time. They may hit their heads against cages, pull their feathers, refuse to eat, or become angry when they are depressed. I got a pair of cocktail birds 2 weeks back. This gray one is the male and the white is the female. Initially, they were very much scared, but in a few days, gray one started responding. Female is not at socialized, but started responding to us. Appreciated the efforts of my kids who tamed them. When we switch off the light at night, they are very silent and will continue in silence till we switch on lights in the morning. So thankful to them. After sunset, they seem to be very calm and quiet. Now they are taking rest. They don't want to get disturbed anymore when they are taking rest at night.
Thank you, Pet Planet, for the wonderful two cocktails. Yeah, they're pretty active. They're very friendly to everyone. So thank you one more time.
Actually, junk food, sugary and salty foods are not at all healthy or good for cocktails, including chocolate. I repeat, it is not at all healthy or good for cocktails. But once in a while, I will just give sugar free crackers as a treat to them because they love to have it. So, just one cracker. Some of the poisonous items or some of the poisonous foods for the cocktail are avocado, potato, nuts, onions, cherry, apricot, mushroom, fig, tomato, and peach. These items are really poisonous for cocktails. One fine morning, tried with the fruit mix. They're so happy with the taste of that. Thank you, Neha, for feeding them. Still, they need a mix of seeds along with the fruit bowl. They will show their happiness in many different ways, like spreading their wings and all. And the white one that responding to us. Cuttlefish bone is their favorite, and it is actually required for their calcium requirements. We are trying to release them from the cage. So you can see the gray one is already out of the cage, but the white one is very much scared to come out, even though we opened the cage. And the gray one is interestingly calling her to come out. And you can say somewhat both are scared what to do. Surprisingly, they did not try to go out of the house.
Cockatiels are amazing birds. Both our birds are my best friends now. They are really playful and are very smart. They love spending time between the perches and on the high curtains. They are very sweet birds. Thank you. Cockatiels love hanging out with us. They are great birds. They can sing very beautifully. Cockatiels are also very calm and quiet